esikhona kusemzimkhulu wezorhatshe Auckland Park zihlanganiswa beziphakulelwe khona indaba nanzi ezithutshileko.
We are housing them in this church. We're providing them hot meals, 3 meals per day. So this is actually what we are trying to check, and just to make sure that our people are really served.
Isasa ithi yenza ngakho konke okusemandleni nayo ukusiza abantu abonelwe zingkhukhula eLimpopo.
I should have. I can guarantee you wouldn't have had this where money flying all over the show.
So your answer to me is you would have been a good commissioner.
Absolutely.
Okabe azikhulu esiphetheko se-IP to Robert McBride utshele ikomiti yeParliament ukuthi akanazo imfiso zokuba ngukomishara wamapholisa elizweni eli.
There's nothing as painful as having to deal with the death of your prized possession.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi ukubujelwa mntwana akusinto encane abongqongqotshe abarorobhe bavele nensombululo. Siyalotshisa ekhaya sikhathi sendaba ziphasi ezifuna ngathana uhlala phasi uzizwe ngobunjalo bazo. NginguCedric Mwepya ngiyakwamkela. Ezifika sesilapha estudio zithi amapholisa kuthiwa asendleleni agijimela endaweni yeJeffsville eAtrishville ePitori lapho kudunyuzwe kwabulawa amadoda amahlanu ngaphandle kwetuck shop. Imininingwane yokuthi kudumuze ubani nokuthi bebadunyuzelwana abantu aba bengakatholakala kodwa amapholisa ayaphenya. Indaba le yindaba yethujako imininingwane iza kulandela endabeni ezilandelako zisizulu. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi seyinto ehabileko ukuthi uhulumende nabachayeli benthuthi zabafundi babuyele etafuleni bayokufumana indlela zokuthuthukisa ibubulo lenthuthi. Lokhu kulandela ingozi ebulele abafundi abali-12 abanye balimala ngesikhathi isithuthi sabo sesikolo sibandakanyeka engozini eVanderbilt Park ngomvulo. Sehlakalo lesi sifake igandelelo lokubana kufuze kuqiniswe imigomo elawula inthuthi ezikhambisa abantwana enkolweni.
Ukubhubha kwabafundi eVanderbilt Park eWest Rand kuchiye imndeni senhlungwini ezibabazekako ngibanga amahlule emuke abantwana ingomuso labo. Ilizwe lonke lizwa ubuhlungu.
There's nothing as painful as having to deal with the death of your prized possession, your child who are still young, and have to bury him or her.
Pheze bafunda abangaphezulu kwama-700 ekorweni yezifundo esisekelo abasebenzisa inthuthi zikahulumende ukuya esikolweni. Abanye abafundi basebenzisa inthuthi ezilawula abatshayeli abazijameleko. Umengameli ugandelele ukuthi kufuze kuqiniswe isandla ebubulweni lenthuthi.
We have inherited a system where there has been no real public transport for children to go to school, and so the taxi system then integrated itself in transporting children, and it's been good because we have been able to transport children to school. The government now needs to sit back and talk also to those who are actors now, the taxi owners and drivers, and see the extent to which we can work together.
Nanyana umchayeli wekhumbi asavalelwe emaseleni kodwana ikoro yenthuthi zabafundi ezingaphasi komnyango wezefundo uthi benza iphenyo labo malungana nomchayeli weteksi olilunga labo.
I'm going to be directing the Minister and Transport and all the others to look at how we can save the lives of our children.
uRamaphosa uthi uyalele ungqongqotshe wezokuthutha newezofunda bona bavele nesisombululo sasafuthi esizakwenza bona abantwana baphephe begodu bavikeleke endleleni zelizweli.
Imndeni eyonakalelwe ngemva kwengikhukhula seyithomile ukudobhadobha okusese nobubhadekelo ngemva kokuthi ingikhukhula zibachiye ebaleni. Njengoba nakuthoma ukoma nje kwezinye indawo abantu abaningi eLimpopo neMpumalanga sebathomile ukubala umonakalo abasele nawo. Kumasipalata weNkomazi imndeni engaphezulu kwama500 ifumene isizo ehlanganweni esizako iGift of the Givers.
Kuhlanganisa izandla ngehloso yokusiza abongazimbi bengikhukhula eBuffalo Spruit. abantu abaningi basele banganalitho. uHlubikazi Nchobane we-Gift of the Givers uthi imndeni engaphezulu kwamakhulu abunane iyokusizwa elizweni lonke.
And in this area specifically, we've given them blankets, food hampers, and as well as detergent packs. There are some areas that we haven't been able to reach as yet, and we're waiting for disaster management to run those assessments because they were not accessible 3 days ago.
Umndeni wakwaShongwe eSkumansdal usaba lokwalahlekeleko ngemva kokuthi nekhaya labo ligirikile nakuthoma ukunizulu. uPromise Shongwe uthi solo bagirikelwa indlu bangaphakathi sebanevalo nakunizulu.
Kwathi nakucala imvula ngabo November sawelwa ngiyindlu lakhaya kude lolimele besikhona sonke la endlini but kude lolimele nedwe ngoba vele lendlu ithenayiwa kwavakala ngathi nje kutamatama umhlaba.
Kusesenjalo emlanjeni imlumati eDriekopi saphungukile amanzi kanti izakhamuzi sezisebenzisa ithubelo bona zikwazi ukweqa.
Kodwa angazi ukuthi mangingawela mase ngale phesheya ngizokhona ukubuya na ngoba hey ishintsha manje isikhaleni 30 minutes right after 30 minutes seyishintshile ivalile.
Liyabonakala isizo elivela mahlangothi wonke kibonga Zimbi.
Isikhulu esiphetheko kwaSASSA uThemba Madlozi bazokuraga ngokusekela abantu abama-86 abathinekileko ngenxa yenkhukhula embawula ngaphandle kweGiyani Limpopo. Kanti imizi ema-35 enabantu abama-86 abasele banganabuyo ngemva kokuthi amakhaya wabo onwezi inkhukhula. uMadlozi uthi emalangeni al-15 azako bazokuraga nokusiza labo abathindekako.
Imakhiwo yemphakathi efana namasondo ngiye buthelela abantu abasele banganabuyo bembawula ngaphandle kweGiyani Limpopo. Amadoda ahlaliswa kwelinye isondo kwathi abantu bengubo nabantwana bahlaliswa kwelinye isondo. ISASSA ithi ngehlelo layo lokusiza labo abathinekehlekeleleni isiza labo ababethekileko ngokudla kathathu ngelanga.
86 people have been affected and they are housed in 2 local churches. And we must also appreciate for the churches that work together with government. We are housing them in this church. We are providing them hot meals, 3 meals per day. So this is actually what we are trying to check, and just to make sure that our people are really saved.
Nakusenjalo, ukugirikibotha ematlasini amabili esikolweni samabanga phasi itiyiselani egadlanani ehlanu kwemalamuleli Limpopo. Akunabantu abalimeleko ngoke ngembiko njengoba nabafundi kade bangasinge ematlasini isehlakalo sisenzekako. Umkhandlu wengameli isikolo usola bona ingikhukhula ngizo nobangela. Lokho njengoba ihlabathi izela amanzi ngenxa yezulu.
Imiraro yelizwe lekhethu ekubalwa kiyo ilegutla ye-ANC NEC ilegutla kahulumende nenkulumo yobunjalo belizwe ziliye umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ekhambeni leDavos ku-World Economic Forum. Ngempela veke ANC yokubamba imbizo yebandla layo eliphezulu ekuhloswe ngayo ukuthi iphumelelise imbizo kahulumende emaqaleni ndanzi azithandathu weJanuary 8 statement. Umengameli uRamaphosa uyozilungiselela nenkulumo yobunjalo belizwe ekulindeleke bona ayethule ngezi 12 zikamhlolanja.
Kwakhathesi imraro yelizwe lekhethu apha ilicalo ndanzi kumengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kunephasi leli ligadanga abanye abantu abacabanga bona mhlawumbe iSouth Africa igegede ukuhlangana mathupha nomengameli we-USA uDonald Trump. Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi kunento ezicakatheke khulu ekufuza azitsheje elizwekazini leAfrika njengoba nakuzimbizo yeAfrican Union.
I didn't go to Davos because we're preparing for the ANC Lekgotla, the Cabinet Lekgotla, and SONA. So all those tasks are quite engaging. And after that we go to the African Union. So it's a multiplicity of things.
Umengameli bewatsho nokuthi amajoni bekazibandulelwandle lekhethu apha bekadosa phambili iChina. ISouth Africa siyabanikela indawo kwaphela.
We've constituted a board of inquiry that is going to look very closely into what happened, how it happened, and what steps we now need to take. But more than that, we also need to see the extent to which we ourselves, even as we are not leaders and arrangers of some of these exercises, can take proactive action about certain things, participants and all that. So it is a matter that everyone in defense and in government seized with at the moment.
Emvekeni embili ezizako uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uzokutshetsha khulu indaba zelizweli nezepolitiki esiphande elizwekazi le-Afrika begodwa uzokutshetsha nenkulumo yobunjalo belizwe esezako.
Umphathi walokho wephiko elitsheje izenzo zamapholisa emphakathini uRobert McBride uthi akanatshisakalo yokuba ngumkomishana wamapholisa. Nabe kaphendula imibuzo eParliament lapha kuhlezi khona ikomiti yeParliament ephenya insolo zobulelesi ukuqapheleka kwezepolitiki kunye nobukhohlakali. uMcBride uthi batsho umuntu ophakamise indaba le bekale yamala. Uthi iphiko lamapholisa kungaba ngelihluke khulu nangelaphathwa nguye. Namhlanje lilanga lesibili lika McBride lokwethula ubufakazi phambi kwekomishini le.
Phambilini kwalethwa ubufakazi phambi kwekomiti le obuthi batsho uMcBride wayefuna isikhundla sokuba ngukomishinara wamapholisa. uMcBride uthi bayamkhwayela.
Would you have been a good national commissioner?
The truth of the matter, I never put my hat in the ring there. I think on reflection, in retrospect, I should have.
Yeah.
I can guarantee you wouldn't have had this where money flying all over the show.
uMcBride ngomunye wabofakazi ababizelwe phambi kwekomiti le ukuzokusiza iParliament ukuthola iqiniso phezulu kwenzisolo ezikhona kutholakala nemphakamiso zokuthi umbuso ungenzani nakunje ukuchinga phambili. Hlangana neminye imibuzo uMcBride ahlonywe ngayo budlelwano bakhe noPaul O'Sullivan ophenya ngezesayensi. Uthi uO'Sullivan wamnikela imininingwana ethileko njengomphathi weIPID ngezenzo zobukhohlakali ephikweni lamapholisa. Uthi ubudlelwano babo buphelela lapho ngale kwalokho abasililitho begodu uthi uO'Sullivan akhange amkhuthaza ngalitho.
There's no one on this earth that can influence me wrongly. I will always do the right thing.
Emalangeni amabili adluleko la beyijubile ikulumiswano phakathi kwekomiti le noMcBride kodwa namhlanje ichube khulu lokho nabaveza indaba ethinda umndeni wakhe.
Well, you're starting to get very personal now.
No, I'm asking.
No, you're asking about my child.
Yes, I am asking about your child.
Yeah, but you shouldn't be. You should mind your own business about my family.
No, but
lo uvela embikweni wango 2017 owavezwa mntazana kaMcBride ukuthi batsho uMcBride wamkhahlumeza. Ngemva kokwehlisa umoya uMcBride uhlathulele iParliament ukuthi wamkhalima ngamagama abukhali umntwana wakhe kodwa indaba khona akhange isaya phambili. Nakabuzwa ukuthi kuba yini izinto zifatalele kangaka ephikweni lamapholisa uthi batsho indaba yengikhundla namandla ngibo abonobangela abakhulu abenza kufatalale ebuthweni lamapholisa. Kanti uthi abantu abanye baqatshwa engikhundleni ezithileko ngelokuthi bazokukhambisa izenzo ezimbi. Ikibe ngakelinye ihlangothi abanye banikelwa ingikhundla ngombana bathokozelwa ubukhohlakali ebabenzileko.
Nasibuya entolo.
Mara ke bona ka re bophelo bo phela go sport bo thata le nna yana ka tla le high blood cancer ya godimo.
Amazamazama akhahlumeza abantu eSiporo Ncange eChingalangarandi sebachiya amakhaya wabo bayokuhlala eholweni yomphakathi. Siyakwamukela esigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele mbukeli nazikuphunileko yazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Izakhamuzi ezingaphezulu kwamakhulu ayisithandathu zemhlahlaneni yeSiporong eWest Rand eGauteng zibaleka amakhaya ayokuhlala eholweni yomphakathi eRandfontein. Zibaleka ukutheliswa nokusahlelwa amazamazama. Zithi batsho zibike amahlandla ambalwa emapholiseni kodwana solo kuyafana.
Indawo le sele iphenduka amarubhe. Izakhamuzi zalapha zibalekele eholweni yomphakathi zithi batsho zitheliswa amazamazama. Abanye abantu abadala bahlala lapha bathi nanyana babaleke ungakaphephi emakhaya yabo sekuyafana nalapha ngombana bahlala babanengikhulu begodu bayagula.
Bophelo bo phela go sport bo thata le nna yana ka tla le high blood cancer ya godimo.
Se bona gona no re tsile go sport re sietsemo re tshaba one mazama ao because of abathunya ba the way ba batlang ka teng ba bola le go bola.
Umphakathi uthi solo kwangomnyaka opheleleko bahlalele evalweni bathi balingile ukubikela imphathimandla kodwa nasolo nanje abakasizwa ngalitho.
Even in December, this day after this day, they were getting into house by house, shooting the people. If you don't have the money to give them, then they will leave you that house with a bullet.
Dikarabo tse re di tholang from our government le di local municipalities ha di re khotsofatse re le community.
Kodwa nanya nanginjalo umasipalata uthi benza konke okusemandleni ukusiza umphakathi kanti sele bakhulumisene neminye iminyango ukuthola isisombululo.
It's not true that the local municipality has not been involved. In fact, when we then were informed about the incident that happened in Sporong, which was not the first incident, it happened sometime in November in 2025 that there was an attack, and there was another attack in January. And then immediately, we then said to the Deputy Executive Mayor that we need to find an alternative temporary accommodation for them.
Izakhamuzi zilile nangokuhlayelelwa kudla kanti zithi izenzo zobulelesi zihagile endaweni lemi. Ngingunontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngikubekela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Asiqale umbono wakho mbukeli ngale ndaba yamazamazama akhole umphakathi wange-Westland. Nakho umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Ibhlungu kakhulu lento lena ngoba labantu bamazamazama abasibantu bala and lento yezamazama ayikho emthethweni.
Sidinga uhulumeni ke le ngeke phela abantu sebengaze babaleke bashe imizi yabo bazamile amaphoyisa ehluleka.
Apolisa wekhethwa pha ayabhalelwa aberekisana nabo abozamazama abo. Kunini eSouth Africa silila ngezamazama.
Government lethu le isebenzisana nabo abozamazama laba babe bathatha abantu babeka le olweni yomphakathi kathana bacotha bona labo zamazama laba.
Kanubona ngembukeli SABC yayizokuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Umengameli we-America uDonald Trump uthi umnotho we-America uqine khulu kusukela enyangeni ezili-12 abuyela eofisini. UTrump uthi chuguluko ndengo ibe ngaphasi kwelawulo ngaphasi kombuso wakhe. Wathi lokho nakusaphethe uJoe Biden bekumabonano wodwa. UTrump ubekhuluma nabaholi bephasi nabosomabhizinisi emhlanganweni wezomnotho iWorld Economic Forum eDavos eSwitzerland.
After 12 months back in the White House, our economy is booming, growth is exploding, productivity is surging, investment is soaring, incomes are rising, inflation has been defeated, our previously open and dangerous border is closed and virtually impenetrable, and the United States is in the midst of the fastest and most dramatic economic turnaround in our country's history. Under the Biden administration, America was plagued by the nightmare of stagflation, meaning low growth and high inflation, a recipe for misery, failure, and decline. But now, after just 1 year of my policies, we are witnessing the exact opposite.
Kazemali ranta liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu.
Siyaloshisa ekhaya sicalele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu. Sibona lapha amathuba nge-30% ukusuka ngapha nge-Northern Cape uchinge njalo endaweni zangale nge-KZN ngale ngempumalanga esifundeni sangeLimpopo nangapha ngeGauteng nge-30%. Akhe siyocela ukuthi kusasa kunjani na yelela khulu na uhlala ngale nge-KZN nempumalanga sibona lapha kunekungu kanike mathuba wezulu nge-30% phezeke enaheni ukusuka lapha endaweni zangale nge-Northern Cape ngale ngeBloemfontein nangale ngeMahakeng siyabona ukuthi akhona amathuba wezulu nge-30%. Sithole lapha ke isiyeleliso semjijo eduma kumbi kilezi ndawo okuthinteka umkhawulo wangaleke ngeFreystata nangale ngeNorthern Cape lapha ke kunomoya esubona ngale ngegwini langale ngeKapa. Asicaleke ukuthi ngisiphi kodwa silemukiso sisitholileko ngalenga ngephulukwane kunezulu elikhulu kanike bo Uppington sibona lapha ke khonakalo yomlilo wemango yentsheje niyelele nangaleke ngeBloemfontein mathuba wezulu la angithi sicali lapha ke amazinga wokushisa ePitori 26 iBroncosprade 27 sifunda pheze sonke sifuthumele sangaphange eGauteng iLimpopo bonakala ke nayo ifuthumele phole lapha ke ephulukwane neBilabila nge23 socala isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga ukuthi sona sinjani siyasibona naso sifuthumele endaweni eziningi bomhlanga Middelburg eMalahleni bo 25 eMelo yona ipholile nge23 asichinge lapha eKZN siyabona ukuthi sifunda sonke pheze siyachisa ngalenge Richards Bay 32 iUlundi 34 Durban 31 kufuthumele kuyangokuchisa iPumalanga Kapa leya ebonakala ke nayo ichisa endaweni eziningi kulapha eGqeberha sibona khona ke kuthi kufuthumele nge29 Jingalanga Kapa lapha eCape Town lifuthumele eMossel Bay silibona ke lifuthumele nge24 kanti kuyachisa ke lapha kubo Vredendal iNorthern Cape iyachisa njengoba ke sabona nje kanti abantu bacheje bayelele kulesa sifunda Freystata nayo iyachisa kanti ke nangale ngesifundeni sangale ngeNorthwest nakhona ke kuyachisa sibona negodi ngesikhathi silandelayo Tido